You look like you need a good sandwich. All right, so this sandwich here is inspired from a sandwich that I saw on the menu in Italy years ago. I ate a different sandwich, but this one was intriguing, but I picked the other one. It was still delicious too. I can't even remember what the other one was, but for some reason, this one is the one that stuck with me. So maybe I should have eaten this one. I can't remember exactly what was in it. I do remember eggplant with prosciutto and melted Emmental cheese, and I do remember seeing red tomatoes, so pretty sure that was all in it. But because I don't exactly know what it was, we're just gonna get some inspiration from it. So I'm gonna add zucchini, I'm gonna add bomba mayo. If you follow me on this channel, you know all about bomba mayo and you know it's in a lot of my sandwiches, so definitely adding that. And before we start, please like and subscribe to my channel. It's definitely helping me grow. I love making recipes, so let's make this one. So this is for 2 sandwiches. Let's start with 1 small eggplant. You'll probably have some leftovers, so I suggest making my eggplant pasta that I'll leave a link in the description below. Cut off the ends and slice the eggplant into rounds or strips. This is all depending on the type of bun that you're using. I'm slicing them into strips and just making sure that they are a good size with the bun that I'm using. And you're gonna need 8 strips or rounds of your eggplant. We will be making a little eggplant sandwich within our sandwich.
No way!
Up next is 1 zucchini that you can slice or use a mandolin, and you'll need 4 strips. This step is optional, but I'm just gonna salt the zucchini and eggplant on both sides just so that it can release some moisture. And we'll just let that sit while we prepare the rest of the ingredients. Bomba mayo. Like I always say, if you follow me, there is no need for explanation, but if you're new here, I'll leave a link in the description below for a recipe where I use bomba sauce, and I'll tell you all about it. Mix equal parts or do a 2-to-1 ratio of bomba to mayo, whatever you like, just adjust to your tastes. Give a mix and place in the fridge. Next, coarsely grate 100 grams of Emmenthal cheese. If you can't find Emmenthal, you can use Swiss, Gruyere, or Jarlsberg. And you know I'm not putting this away without cutting off a piece for myself. Time for the tomatoes. In a pan on medium to high heat, add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and 250 grams of cherry tomatoes. You can leave whole or slice into halves. Season with salt and freshly cracked pepper, and just cook them down until they have blistered, charred, and have softened a bit. You'll be able to tell just by breaking up the tomatoes with your wooden spoon. Then add 1 clove of garlic, finely chopped or sliced just at the end, and as much fresh basil as you like. Give a mix, and when the garlic is fragrant and tender, remove to a bowl and just set that aside. If you took the pre-salting step with the zucchini and the eggplant, you're just gonna pat dry both sides, and then we're gonna toss in a bowl with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil and give a mix. Now on the barbecue or a grill pan, just grill up your vegetables until they have some beautiful grill marks and they're a little bit soft, and then we're just gonna set those aside. Now it's time for that eggplant sandwich within our sandwich. Place down 4 strips of eggplant onto a sheet pan lined with parchment paper, space them out a bit, and then place down 1 to 2 slices of prosciutto di Parma on top of the eggplant slices. Then divide the Emmental cheese between the slices and then top with the other 4 slices of eggplant. Then we're gonna place in the oven for about 4 to 5 minutes at 425 degrees until the cheese has melted. These are amazing on their own. Bake in some red sauce. You can even roll them up and have them as a great little appetizer. But for now, they're going into our sandwich. Divide the tomatoes up onto the bottom half of your bun and then top with 2 zucchini slices, then 2 of the little eggplant sandwiches, then some fresh mozzarella di bufala, sprinkle some dried oregano on top, finish with a nice healthy spread of bomba mayo on that top half bun, and yeah, look at that. Look at this magnificent beauty. Bring that to the table. I never said that it was gonna be easy to eat, but I don't care. It is so damn good. The grilled vegetables, the prosciutto, the melted cheese, the fresh mozzarella, and of course, my favorite, bomba mayo. Gotta use it on most of my sandwiches that I make. Oh, I hope you give this a go. And as always, the full recipe is in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao.